Hello to you watching. This is going to be the introduction to a seasonal Project Pan that is in collab with the PANtastic Ladies. I will have the link for the Facebook group down below, and I will have the link to the other people doing this project. It's going to be ladies both on YouTube and on Instagram, and the project is Drop 10 by Summer, so we're going to pick 10 items that we're going to use up before the first day of summer in June. And now I have a conference that's during, like, I'm out of town on the first day of summer, so I'm actually going to do my intro today early, and all of my updates a little bit early because I'm going to do my finale a little early. So I was going to do like summer song inspired, but I'm just gonna do all of my songs on my iPhone and shuffle and see what happens. Okay, so the first one I got was Dancing with Myself from the Glee soundtrack. Yeah, with the right selection with the near reflection. So, right selection with the near reflection. I'm going to pick a highlighter. And so I'm going to pick, I'm doing a Pan That palette with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So it's kind of a cheat, but I'm going to pick the highlighter that I'm wearing today. Spectra from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. So I'm going to insert a starting picture here. Okay, what do we have next? Sound of Madness by Shinedown. Alright, so I think I'm going to do something with, like, I'm Still Here, like the start of the chorus, like something I've had for a while. And you know what? I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do, so this is a Physicians Formula cream eyeliner, and it's just a black cream eyeliner, and I do have some use in it. I'll make sure I take a starting picture. Yeah, so I'm going to use this for Sound of Madness. Oops, and I just dug my nail into it. Alright, insert starting picture here. Next, Don't Stop Believin' from Journey. Who doesn't know this song? Such a small town girl, living in a lonely world. Alright, that's enough of that. Everyone knows that song. So, during the introduction, I was thinking of what I wanted to do, and I decided that I would do this lip balm that I'm pretty sure is from like Hot Topic or something like that, yeah. But it's a Nightmare Before Christmas lip balm, and now I'm thinking, you know, small town girl living in her lonely world, Sally during the most of Nightmare Before Christmas. So we're going to do that, and I'm not currently working on, well, I'm working on a lip gloss, but I'm not working on a lip balm. So I figured, in this one, I'll show you the insides because I don't have, oh, come on. There's no pan. I've used it a little bit, but it's been a while. So yeah, that's going to be number 3, if I can shut it. Number 3. So, 4. Okay. So, this is Rumors by Lindsey Lohan, back when she thought she wanted to make music. Okay, so for this one, I think I'm going to do my, the Body Shop night mask. Not particularly because it has anything to do with the song, except for maybe like, you're still going to write what you didn't see, and I'm trying to use this to help quell some of my like acne stuff. So I'd like it to become something that you don't see. I know it's a bit of a stretch. That and having that in this project, not that I'm not doing a good job of wearing it every night, but I only got it like 3 days ago. So maybe having it in a project will make sure I use it every day and give it a fighting chance. And also I need to hurry up because I'm losing daylight. Alright, what do we got next? Billy Joel. And so anyone who's seen my Billy Joel project pan knows I love a Billy Joel song. This one is Goodnight, My Angel. The actual name of the song is Lullaby. He wrote it for his daughter. Goodnight, my angel, time to close your eyes. Oh crap, maybe I should have done the night mask for this one. Okay. Alright. This is actually much harder than I thought. I have all my makeup drawers over here if you're wondering what I keep looking over at. What to pick? Yeah, I think I'm going to go with a mascara. And, you know, it's a dad writing a song for his little girl, and most girls think their dad is their superhero. So I'm going to do the It Cosmetics superhero... It Cosmetics, yes, that's what I said. Superhero mascara. It's just a deluxe size sample that I got from Ipsy. But there's that. Okay, so we're 4 in. Let's go 5. My first kiss went a little like this. And kiss. And kiss. Okay, so we've got 303, my first kiss. So obviously it has to be a lip product. And since it's first kiss, I'm going to pick the Bite Beauty sample from the birthday gift from Sephora this year, and this one's in Chai. I have not used it. It's, you know, the exact color that I think Wednesday Greenleaf would adore. She loves her like nude. That's this one here. I was swatching a couple lip liners, but that one there. And the only use it has is that it fell out of its little compartment when I first opened it. So there's like product down at the lid. But anyway, I've never tried Bite Beauty. So this will be my first time giving it a go. And I think it fits perfectly with my first kiss. Alright, what do we got next? Alright. Woke up today feeling the way I always do. Okay, so if you're a musical theater fan, you're going to know this song. It's Good Morning Baltimore from Hairspray. Okay, Good Morning Baltimore. Something I use in the morning. I guess a toner. I'm almost done. Like, I have one toner that I'm working on that I'm like 1 or 2 uses away from being done. So I'm actually going to start a brand new toner for this project, which might be a bad idea, but we're going to give it a go. So I got this when I got the Body Shop night mask, and it's just the Body Shop Tea Tree toner. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna put in for Good Morning Baltimore. Alright. Bury Your Head by Saosin. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do with this. Okay, so this is just based off the title. Saosin was one of my favorite bands back in high school, so I have a lot of their stuff. I'm actually gonna pull out another sample, if I can find it. And this one is a hair mask or some kind of like hair treatment by Marc Anthony. I got it in my last Ipsy bag that I was getting. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So 3 more. Okay. Anyone know any Taylor Swift? So something. New Romantics is a song. We're all bored. We're all so tired of everything. Wait for trains that just aren't coming. Okay, so this one, I take a little bit of the feeling. So you're like, she starts out bored, but then she finds a new relationship and it's all new and exciting. So maybe a type of product I've been bored with, but have recently been re-inspired by. I know. But I don't know if I have one. I've been, as I said in my Billy Joel recent update, I fell in love with my silver eyeliner that I had from Sephora, but I finished it, which is great. I'm really glad I finished it, but I really loved the look of it. And I've been trying to, like, I have a couple other silvers in my collection, but they're not good quality, and they're not, like, what I want. Okay, so I'm going to double dip again with my 30 by 30 project. And I'm going to use my blue, I think it's ocean blue or satin blue or something like that, eyeliner. And I'm going to see if I can reignite the same excitement and romance that I was able to do with my silver eyeliner. I have it on my eyes today to help punch up the blue. So I'm going to give that a try. Alright, so we're at 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 more. Okay, so I don't know if anyone's going to know this. This is Chester French, On My Own. Everyone wanna get a piece of what I got today. Show me cars, tell me all about the stars you used to play. If you wanna run it all, so you can really ball, but you can never try to walk until you learn to crawl. Okay, so going on my own, I'm gonna do a nail polish. This one is the Sally Hansen. It's in the color Sheer Ecstasy, and it's just a basic kind of color that if I put it on my nails, it's very low maintenance and it can go on its own. So I'll mark that and insert a picture here. Okay, last one. Ooh, okay, so Katy Perry. So it's Circle the Drain. That was the exception. I could ruin your addiction. You could have been the greatest, but you'd rather get wasted. Okay, so this is all about, the song's about addiction. And at first I was leaning towards a thing I used to be obsessed with that I had the thought of getting rid of because I was just fed up with it. And I was only keeping it because of my obsession. And then I was kind of thinking, why not pick an item that is one of my current addictions, like a lip product. But I'm worried about picking too many lip products. I realize I've only picked one, but in my other project pans I have a couple. Or something I hate about a category that I like. Okay, so I'm going to go with that. And now this is a little convoluted, so stay with me. I am obsessed with lipsticks. I usually like bullet lipsticks, but I don't mind liquid lipsticks. I really don't like lip glosses. So lip glosses are a thing I hate about the lip category. So I'm going to pick a lip gloss. And what's good is I recently found a way to wear lip glosses that doesn't make me hate it that much. So I'm going to pick out Trust Fund Beauty's, this is just a lip gloss, Lipgasm lip gloss in the color Blame Game. It was another sample I got from my Ipsy bag. And so yeah. that is all 10 of my items. They will be listed below, plus the songs that I've decided to come up. And I will see you in a month for this. Well, I'll see you sooner than that because I have my other videos to update. But good luck to all the other PANtastic ladies doing this Project Pan. And if you're interested in joining either the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group or this collab, I'll have all the information linked down below. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.